Putting in some new valve stem seals. Just got the first valve done. Putting on the rocker arm. Got the first valve done on this side. Might do start working on some more tomorrow. Maybe I'll film a little bit more.